Hello friends, welcome in my channel Basic Electronics. Myself Borhade Ganesh. Today learn about inverting and non-inverting amplifier using op-amp. The first one is the inverting amplifier. In inverting amplifier, apply the input signal to the inverting terminal of the op-amp. It is denoted by the minus sign and non-inverting terminal is connected to the ground. And use the negative type of feedback means output signal is again fed to the input and which is given to the inverting terminal of the op amp through the current limiting or the feedback register RF and take the output voltage across the register RL. The formula for the voltage gain for the inverting amplifier is the minus RF by R1 and the output voltage is AV into V in. This is the output voltage expression for the inverting amplifier. When apply the input signal to the inverting terminal of the op amp, the current I flowing through the resistor R1 and RF. Then first find out the voltage across the resistor R1, which is the V in. Therefore, V in is equal to I into R1. Then calculate or find the voltage across the resistor RF, that is the V out or the output voltage. Therefore, V0 is equal to minus I into RF. Why minus sign? Because output is again fed to the input. Then find out the closed loop gain AVF. Gain is always output divided by input. Therefore, AVF is equal to put the value of V0 and V in. Then what happen? Cancel the I. Therefore, AVF is equal to minus RF by R1. This is the closed loop gain for the inverting amplifier. This equation indicates that the gain of the amplifier depend on the value of RF and R1. Therefore, what is the output voltage for the inverting amplifier is equal to AVF into Vin. Then put the value of AVF. Then V0 is equal to minus RF by R1 into V in. These are the waveform for the inverting amplifier. These waveform indicate that in the output waveform, see, the output get inverted means there is a 180-degree phase shift in between input and output. Therefore, this circuit is known as the inverting amplifier. Output get inverted but there is a 180-degree phase shift. Then second point is the non-inverting amplifier. In non-inverting amplifier, apply the input signal to the non-inverting terminal of the op-amp and inverting terminal is connected to the ground through the current limiting resistor R1 and use the feedback resistor in between inverting and output terminal of the op-amp and take the output across the resistor RL. Expression for the closed loop voltage gain for the non-inverting amplifier. When apply the input signal to the non-inverting terminal and inverting terminal is connected to the ground, due to the very high input impedance, the current flowing through the inverting as well as non-inverting terminal is 0. Therefore, first find out the voltage across the resistor R1, that is the V2. Therefore, V2 is equal to R1 divided by Rf plus R1 into V0. As per the virtual short means if one terminal is connected to the ground, then another terminal also at the ground potential means they are virtually shorted to the each other. Therefore, V1 is equal to Vin is equal to V2 means all the voltages Vin, V1 and V2 are equal. Therefore, Vin is equal to R1 divided by Rf plus R1 into V0. Then find out the gain, closed loop gain AVF. Gain is always V0 divided by Vin. Then put the value of Vin in this equation. Then Rf plus R1 divided by R1. Then what is the gain for the closed loop non-inverting amplifier? That is the 1 plus Rf by R1. This is the equation for the gain for non-inverting amplifier. V0 is equal to gain into Vin. Then by putting the value of AVF in this equation, output voltage is equal to, in bracket, 1 plus Rf by R1 bracket complete into Vin. These are the waveform for the non-inverting amplifier. This waveform indicate that the output signal and input signal are in same phase. Means only output get amplified. Then solve example on inverting and non-inverting amplifier. The op-amp is used in the inverting and non-inverting mode with R1 is equal to 2 kilo ohm, Rf is equal to 100 kilo ohm, if Vcc is equal to plus minus 15 volt, and RMS input voltage Vi is equal to 20 millivolt. Calculate the output voltage in each case. Then first write down the given data. R1 is equal to 2 kilo ohm, Rf is equal to 100 kilo ohm, VCC is equal to plus minus 15 volt, and RMS input voltage, that is the Vi, is equal to 20 millivolt. Then first calculate the output voltage for the inverting amplifier. The voltage output voltage equation for the inverting amplifier is the V0 is equal to minus Rf by R1 into Vi. Minus Rf by R1 is the gain for the inverting amplifier. Then put the value of Rf and R1 this in this equation. Then what is the output voltage? V0 is equal to minus 1 volt. Then find out the output voltage for the non-inverting amplifier. For the non-inverting amplifier, V0 is equal to 1 plus Rf by R1 into Vi or Vin. Then put the value of Rf, R1 and Vi in this equation. Then what is the output voltage for the non-inverting amplifier? V0 is equal to 1.02 volt. Thank you.